Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find reworked items on Dress to Impress. So as you can see, the VIP dress has been reworked for quite some time and you can find it here. Just press on it and as you can see, you have the VIP dress on and you can color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to set it to matte and I'll just use pink for the rest. So this is the reworked VIP dress. If you go outside, as you can see, the Mary Jane has been reworked as well. Even though I do like the old one, but I can't complain that much about this game. It's still super cute, but I just really like the shape of the one before. There is a toggle to add stock still, but this is the new Mary Jane. And yeah, I think those are it for the reworked items on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.